Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use an if function in Salesforce. This is a useful way to create conditional logic in formulas, workflows, and reports. Let's get started. On your Salesforce dashboard, all we have to do is click the gear button in the upper right corner. Once we are here, we just need to click to open Advanced Setup. After opening Setup, we go to the Object Manager. We just need to click Object Manager and choose the label we want to work with. For example, Activity History. Once we are in Activity History, all we have to do is click on Fields and Relationships. Under Fields and Relationships, we can see the option where we will create our formula. We just have to click New and then click Formula. You can see it right here in the pop-up window. Now go to Next. Once here, we need to choose the formula return type. For example, let's choose Date. Then let's enter a field name. For example, Sample. When we are done, we just have to click Next. Now, under the Formula Editor, we can type our formula here. You can use equations or set up conditions as needed. If you already have a formula in mind, just type it in. For example, date equals, or whatever your condition is. If not, we just have to click Functions, choose Logical, and then find the if function. Here is the if function. We can insert it into our formula and configure it based on our needs. Once we are done, we just have to click Next and follow the prompts to finish setting up the if function. And that's how we use an if function in Salesforce. With this simple formula tool, we can make our workflows smarter and more efficient.